Alright, welcome back. Today we have the Sterling RW-BL1K. This is their second follow-up video to it. First time we had a cracked sight glass. We have since repaired that. Very easy to do. They were very fast. I want to say I had a replacement glass kit in less than a week, which is pretty magnificent. So we are going to measure out our alcohol. The syringe for that, it only holds 50 milliliters. Okay, 50 to 60 is what's recommended in the book. I'm going to load it at 50. We're going to fill it with water. We're going to fill it with steam oil. And we're going to try a second fire up and second run. Don't forget to clean it, oil it with steam oil and regular oil every use. Alright, we're down bottom. I am trying to drill and tap a fitting metric to do a couple different things. Obviously I want to put a fitting on top of that. I need to put the pressure release valve back on, and of course I don't think any steam engine is quite finished without a nice whistle, so we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so I've got it drilled and tapped. I didn't get it tapped perfectly, but good enough, because the threads on this pressure relief valve are an M7.075, and obviously all my fittings for the whistle are all standard. Alright, I like to cheat. Obviously this is a AccuCraft Train water bottle. Nice little fitting and hose in it. We obviously looked at our modification earlier that we made. And we're going to go ahead and put our pressure relief valve in. Alright, we're outside. We got our alcohol out here. And I'm going to do this a unconventional way. I'm putting in 50. Light that. Alright, welcome back. We are getting a little steam. We're going to see if we can get it to Alright. Alright, she is up and running. It is very cold, very windy, as you can see. One of my modifications we're going to go ahead and test and see if it works. Alright, welcome back. We got the StirlingKit fired up. We are outside in the cold. You can't tell. I'm going to go ahead and slow it down here. It is definitely hard to focus out here with the cold and steam, but it is getting dark and everything is running great. Our glass is looking perfect. No cracks. Definitely when you tighten it up, take your time. You know, slow and steady. They're very small screws. You cannot tighten them up very much at all. It comes with a very thick gasket. You can see the blue material. Don't tighten them up. Let that do the trick as far as sealing it. And you know, check them out. I can't speak highly enough about this little steam engine here. Great little model to build. Obviously the whistle doesn't come with it, but it's a very easy modification to make if you like whistles. Let's see if we have enough pressure. We do. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. If you have, you know, if you get one and have any questions at all, just come back to one of my videos and reach out in the comments. You know, I hope to do some more videos of this stuff. Their products, you know, building models, steam engines. Obviously it's too windy out here, that's why you see all the flare up happening. But anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, and if you enjoy, please give a like or comment. Thanks again.